Hello, in front of me I've got OPPO Reno 8T. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick like mine, and then simply plug it to charging port. Now wait a few seconds. If nothing happens, let's check My Files app. And if you don't see your USB right here, or right here, let's go to settings. Now search for OTG, enter OTG connection and enable this function. Now when this function is enabled, your USB will be recognized as a OTG. Now you can browse internal storage of your pendrive. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.